Today we're going to take this piece of art journal and we're going to add it. And I'm going to show you how I sew onto tabs. Here's the book it's going to go in. And I've decided it's going to go right here on this tab. Sometimes I'll just leave a tab and that way I can go back and put it in. Usually things face this way on my book, so I'm going to put it facing the back right here. And I'm going to sew it like this one right here. But first I'm going to glue it so it sticks a little bit before I sew it. Not worried about that. That's the string. Going to use beeswax because I don't want to tie any knots, and the beeswax will make the thread stick. Know if I want to sew it all the way. Let's see. Now I'm excited, so I didn't pre-poke holes. Look how difficult it is. I'm going to finish this set out, and then I'm going to show you what it's like when you pre-poke holes. The beeswax does make the thread more sticky, but not pre-poking holes makes it stick even worse. Look how much I'm having to fight that. It is just not happening. So I'm going to be smarter the next round and pre-poke the holes. The difficulty when you are sewing a page onto a tab inside a book already is how do you work it where you're not stabbing yourself or stabbing through another page. So what I found is that I place hands on both sides of the page and I use my fingers to feel where I want the needle or where the needle will be. So I pick my spot and then I flip the page, but I put my hand on the other side and then I use both hands to thread the needle through. Because I poked holes first, look how much easier it is. I just find the hole and I angle my needle and then I pull through. That's it. It's so much easier. The beeswax will still want to stick a little bit, but that's okay. It's supposed to. I don't always pre-poke every single hole at the start when I begin to sew. Sometimes I stop and I decide I want to space them. I'll pre-poke more holes as I go. Okay. I think I got it. In this crazy world of quick fix, quick tips, fast fixes, and social media, I decided to not make a time lapse of this process. So you can hear the crinkle of the paper and Jay happily crunching away on his bird stand. So enjoy it or speed it up to the end. I'll leave that to you. But this is what it sounds like. Usually when I'm out, I take a moment and enjoy the sound of art in process. And here's why I like beeswax, because once you do that, it's on there and it's not going to come off. Ta-da! Here it is. And even if that glue shows a little bit, I'm not worried about it. The stitches blend pretty good. On the back, they don't, but I kind of like it. And the beeswax allowed me not to tie knots. So that's the completed page. I had the process of how I created this design if you would like to join me for the next time. If you're curious about the stamps, they are carved linoleum block. So if you are wanting to try this, it's very easy to do, and we might have to do another video. Buddy. Yeah, you're being so good. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day and happy arting.